A is used to before a common noun beginning with a consonant. A dog, a ball, a cup, a bat, a tree. Good morning everyone. My name is Rishki Jaksaya. I am with article N and it is used to before a word beginnings with vowel. Some example: an apple, an orange, an ice cream, an egg, an elephant, an umbrella, an apple. Good morning everyone. I am Shushan with article the. Article the is used to before a particular person, place, animal or things. Some examples: the sky, the moon, the sun, the mountain,